Hi guys! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. At in today's video ay i-explain ko po or i-discuss ko po yung articulated task ng grade 8. Ano pa bang hinihintay natin? Let me share my screen. Pero kung hindi ka pa nag-subscribe sa akin, diba, mag-subscribe ka na. Share mo na rin ang aking video. Okay. So guys, this is articulated task ng grade 8 sa 4th quarter. Okay? Meron kaming team, precision in practice, crafting safe and efficient extension cords. So, ang final output nila is gagawa sila ng sarili nilang extension cord since ang ang lesson namin is electrical installation and maintenance. Okay, ito yung kanilang transfer goal. The learner independently demonstrates the accurate measurements and calculations by mathematical thinking with analyzing through planning and making of extension cord. Okay, ito yung goal nila. Or kung may nanonood na grade 8, yung inyong goal. Your goal is to analyze the accurate measurements and calculations of the extension cord. Bali, yung extension cord, yung haba ng electrical wire is, ay yung flat wire is 3 meters. So ano yung role nyo? Kayo po ay isang school electrician. Sino yung audience nyo? Kayo, yung mga estudyante and teachers. Ito po yung given situation. An electrician is tasked with creating an extension cord for a workshop. He or she needs to calculate the appropriate wire gauge or thickness based on the power requirements of the tools that will be used. So, yung product po is 3 meters extension cord. So, ano ba yung mga materials na gagamitin dito? Una-una yung yung wire, flat wire number 18, 3 meters. Yung convenience outlet, yung surface, duplex, and yung male cord. And then yung mga electrical tools na gagamitin, combination pliers, wire strippers, Phillips screwdrivers, flat screwdriver, electrician's knife, long nose pliers, side cutters, at marami pang iba. Pwede kayong gumamit ng iba. Pero yung una ko nabanggit yun po yung kailangan electrical tools sa paggawa ng extension cord. So ito po yung criteria na inyong titingnan sa paggawa ng extension cord. So 10 points po ito. Accuracy, demonstrate consistently accurate measurements and calculations. Organization, well-organized presentation of measurements, calculations, and analysis. So magbibigay si teacher nyo or magbibigay ako sa inyo ng procedure kung paano gawin ang extension cord. Susundin nyo po iyon. Analytical thinking. Demonstrate deep analysis and thorough mathematical thinking. Siyempre, tatansyahin nyo yun kung gaano kahaba yung i-skin nyo na wire, ikakabit nyo doon sa male plug and convenience outlet. Extension and complexity. Extend beyond basic requirements with complex measurements and calculations. Yun lang po ang criteria. Yun lang po ang articulated task ng grade 8 sa TLE, sa math at math. Thank you for watching. And kung hindi ka pa po nag-subscribe sa akin, mag-subscribe ka na po. And follow mo na rin, manood ka na rin ng mga videos ko. Yan lang po. Thank you. Thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.